Hold up. Did you catch that? This case is about to hinge on a massive legal question. Can police act purely on a random call, or does the Constitution draw a hard line? Stick around because this gets real interesting real fast.
I could literally call and say, hey man, the state's driving nuts. Go get them.
This right here is critical. PC means probable cause, the legal backbone of any arrest. Without it, everything that follows, evidence, charges, even the stop itself, can collapse like a house of cards.
Right?
At first glance, this sounds like a textbook DWI case: alcohol, erratic behavior, field tests. But here's the twist. None of that matters if the initial stop wasn't legally justified. So ask yourself, should the evidence stand if the stop itself is questionable?
Other way around. Oh, sorry.
Wait a second, have we done PC on that? Have we done PC already on that?
Not in this court. I don't know if probable cause was already found. I forgot to ask.
I don't see that it has on my end.
Okay. All right.
Just yes, Your Honor, no.
Good morning, Ms. Dunson.
Good morning, how are you?
You're charged with driving while intoxicated. You're facing up to 6 months in jail and/or a $2,000 fine. We are going to do probable cause. You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can or will be used against you. You have the right to have an attorney present. If you cannot afford one, one will be appointed to you, ma'am. Okay.
On April 21st, 2025, in Harris County, Texas, a law enforcement officer was dispatched in reference to a wrong-way driver and initiated a traffic stop on the vehicle described by the 911 caller. The law enforcement officer made contact with the defendant, and the defendant handed the law enforcement officer an unopened alcoholic beverage. The law enforcement officer noticed the strong odor of an alcoholic beverage coming from the vehicle.
The evidence is stacking up. Failed sobriety tests, open containers, a high breath score. On paper, this looks like a slam dunk. But the judge isn't focused on what happened after the stop. He's laser focused on what justified it in the first place.
And the defendant appeared unstable and fell against her car. The defendant stated she spilled a whole can of beer on herself earlier. The defendant's vehicle appeared to have fresh damage consistent with hitting a curb. Standardized field.
Boom. Case dismissed. Not because the defendant was proven innocent, but because the process failed. This is a powerful reminder. In the justice system, how evidence is obtained can be just as important as the evidence itself. So what do you think? Did the judge get it right, or did a potentially dangerous driver just walk free?
Sobriety tests were conducted, where the officer observed 6 out of 6 clues in the HGN, 3 out of 8 on the walk and turn, and 0 out of 4 on the one-leg stand. An inventory search revealed 3 open and empty beer cans in the backseat floorboard and other unopened alcoholic beverages. Defendant considered to breath and blew .143 and .145.
What did you say the stop was for?
The stop was for, there was a 911 call that stated there was a vehicle driving the wrong way and described the vehicle. The officer found the vehicle.
Driving the wrong way?
I'm not sure. Well, the officer found the vehicle was not driving the wrong way, but it matched the description given by the 911.
Right. Anyone can call and say anything. Did he view any kind of traffic infraction? I could literally call and say, hey man, the state's driving nuts. Go get them. Right? No.
There's
Yeah.
no other
Okay.
traffic infraction.
Ms. Benson, I'm going to find that there's no probable cause to go forward with your case. There's enough death and destruction on our streets now. Play it safe. The last thing you need is to end up in a 6x9 because if you get into an accident, maim, kill someone, especially with alcohol in the car. Do you understand? Play it safe. Don't make any boneheaded moves. Please.
Thank you, Your Honor.